how to play crazy games online. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can play crazy games online. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now, Crazy Games is essentially an online platform where you can choose to play multiple games. So it's not just one particular game, but you'll have a variety of different other games after you launch this app, or maybe you play on your browser. So it also has online games, it also has some multiplayer games, it also has some offline games. Just depending upon the type of game that you choose, you can go ahead and select a particular game and hit the play now button. So you can also search for a specific game that you like by just selecting the search button from the very bottom, and you can see all of the other options over here. You can go to my games to save some games that you play frequently. If you go to the use section, you'll find any details regarding your particular account over here. But essentially this is the way on how you can play crazy games online. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.